Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a peek at how the face is turning out, and I'm working on the body today. Sorry, I got a little bit delayed because I was able to get about $300 worth of my storage unit stuff back, which was probably only about a tenth of what I had, but at least it was a lot of the art supplies and things like that, and I was able to get my cedar chest back too. So I'm just trying to focus on the positives here, and especially that I, for a long time, have needed to slim down my belongings. It's kind of a lesson for me. I should have done it sooner, so I got to pick exactly which ones were the ones that got slimmed down. But anyway, so I'm just a little bit behind on him, but I expect to have him ready to go this evening. If anybody's interested in the videos or the SculptBox kit, because I will have both available for you. Anyway, isn't he looking awesome? I think he's so cute. And this is how he looks with our beautiful ice princess. So that's how they are together. Oh, that's pretty cute. Anyway, they're going to be darling. And he's sexy. Like, he's a handsome Jack Frost. I wanted him to look a little bit older than the one in the movie because she looks a bit older to me. Like, she seems like she's like in her late teens. And he needs to at least be like that, is what he looks like this way. So anyway, super cute. I'm going to keep adding some glitter to him now. And I'll show you him later too. Let's see. Yeah, just things have been crazy hectic trying to fit more things in. But I am like redoing everything so I can finally be organized, truly organized. And I really needed that in my life for a long time. And I'm hoping that having more organization all over my life, especially in the business too, will help me be able to be a better business owner. And I really value that because, like, these dolls are so amazing. I've been in love with them for nearly 20 years now, and they have really brought a lot of joy to my life. So if any of you are interested in learning to sculpt like that, please stop by my Ko-fi site, and it will give you lots of advice and tips and videos and show you some of my workshops and such that would be helpful for you to learn. Anyway, thank you so much for listening. Just wanted to update you, and I will be in touch later this evening.